Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If you're like me and always on the hunt for the perfect water bottle, I think you're going to check this one out because I have been so happy with it. This water bottle by Opard is perfect for me. It's 30 ounces. It's got so many great features like this little lock feature here to make sure I don't accidentally open it. And it's also got a volume marker. And I think that this blue waves color is super sleek and pretty as well. But I really appreciate that it's a one-hand operation here. So I just go ahead and fill up my water bottle. A lot of times if I'm using this at the gym, it's the perfect thing to add a supplement to if I have like a powder supplement, because then I can just shake it up and it shakes perfectly and I'm good to go. It is leak proof, which is very important to me when I throw this in my gym bag. And then I'm able to just pop that top open and then drink from it. So it is my favorite water bottle I have ever had to take with me to the gym. It's perfect for on the go. It has not failed me. It supports me every single day, and I am really happy with it. This has definitely been my go-to bottle at the gym. I love this, and I think that it is a fantastic option for a water bottle if you are looking for one that's going to be durable and one that you can rely on. But that's just my point of view.